Hi, friends. This is Mrs. Schnabel again. We are working in phonics on our letter sounds and on CVC words. So, this week so far, we have been practicing our letter sounds by saying the letter and then also saying the letter sound in our song Apple, Apple, Ah. Today, we are going to challenge ourselves. We're going to listen to a sound, and then you are going to have to tell me what letter makes that sound. After we do that, we are going to work on blending some CVC words. Now, this will all be review for you. However, just do your personal best. I'm asking that you keep your computer muted, keep your Zoom meeting muted so that there's no delay or anything, and you don't hear somebody else or hear hear any distracting noises. So keep your computer muted and then just listen to me as we go. If for some reason your computer freezes up, please don't worry. You can continue to watch these videos and watch them over and over again on my YouTube channel, Jennifer Schnabel. All right, so let's begin. What letter makes this sound? Listen to the sounds I make. Say out loud what letter makes the sound as soon as you know it. Be sure to keep yourself muted. Here we go. I'm actually going to make myself bigger during this so that you can see me and see how my mouth moves if that helps you. All right, here we go. D, D, D. What letter is it? If you said D, you are correct. T, t, t. What letter is it? If you said T, you are correct. J, J, J. What letter is it? If you said J, you are correct. Mm, mm, mm. What letter is it? If you said N, you are correct. F, f, f. What letter is it? If you said F, you are correct. Er, er, er. What letter is it? If you said R, you are correct. Let's do. What letter is it? If you said H, you are correct. S, s, s. What letter is it? If you said S, you are correct. B, b, b. What letter is it? If you said B, you are correct. O, O, O. What letter is it? If you said L, you are correct. Let's do one more. P, p, p. What letter is it? If you said P, you are correct. Good job. Great effort. I'm going to make myself smaller, and then we are going to continue with the second part of our activity. There we go. Sometimes it just doesn't want to work for me. All right, so let's go on to the next part of our activity. We are going to blend some CVC words. So you will look at each letter. You will say each letter sound and tap it out 3 times. And then we'll read the word. So let's do this one just as an example. So what you'll do is you'll look at the letters, and then you'll say each letter sound and tap it out as you do. So k, a, t, that's 1 time. K, a, t, that's 2 times. K, a, t, that's 3 times. And then after we do that, we say the word cat. Does that make sense? Very good. All right, let's do the first one. S, a, t. S, a, t. S, a, t. Sat. Good job. O, a, g. O, a, g. O, a, g. Leg. Nice work. I, d. I, d. I, d. Rid. You've got it. Great job. A, p. A, p. A, p. Mop. Good work. B, a, n. B, a, n. B, a, n. Bun. Good job. Now, yesterday we looked at blending just the onset and the rhyme. So we can do that with these words as well. Let's go back and let's try it. So I want to point out the rhyme. So the rhyme for this one is at. What does that say? At. Very good. So make sure when we tap that out, you put down 2 fingers to represent at. And we're going to do that for all of these words. Are you ready? We'll do it 3 times, tapping, and then we'll read the word. So we're practicing what we learned yesterday, and we also are reviewing just reading CVC words with the beginning, middle, and ending sound. You guys are awesome. Here we go. S, at, s, at, s, at, sat. Good job. Okay, this one, our rhyme is egg, egg. What does that say? Egg. Okay, so we need to add our onset. O, egg, O, egg, O, egg, leg. Very good. Okay. The rhyme for this one, id. What is it? Id. Id. Very good. So make sure we add our onset to the rhyme. Let's tap it out. Id. 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 Rid. Very good. Okay. What is our rhyme for this one. I want you in your house at home to see if you can sound out the O and P and tell me what it says. What does it say? Well, if you said op, you are correct. So let's tap it out. Remember, onset and then rhyme. Our rhyme has 2 fingers going down. Op. 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 Mop. And last one. Okay, what do you think this is? I want you to think about it in your head. Sound out the U and sound out the N and blend them together. I'm not going to tell you until we actually sound out the word because I want to see if you're right. Do your personal best. Remember, if you can't get it, that's okay. We just want to do our best because we're learning and we're growing. Your best is perfect for me. All right, here we go. B-un. 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 Bun. Very good. Did you have that UN as un? If you didn't, that's okay. But if you did, nice job. You're ahead of the game. You're doing so great. I'm proud of all of you and all the hard work you're putting in. You are doing your personal best. That makes my heart so, so very happy. All right, my friends. So we have worked on 3 skills. We only had plans to do 2, but hey, I wanted to throw in that third. So we worked on our letter sounds. We were able to identify the letter by the sound that was given. So that's really awesome. We were able to blend words looking at the beginning, middle, and ending sound. And then we were able to blend those words looking at the onset and the rhyme. So you guys rock. I am so, so proud of you. Digital high fives.